Hello, good evening, and it's only 2 hours before we hit New Year's Day, and Happy New Year to all. Happy 2024 in advance. As we know, once I finish this video, it will be New Year's Day, and today will be my last topical weather analysis for this 2023. And again, Happy New Year to all. And this is now our English version, our last for December 31, 2023, valid until January 2, 2024. And this is our English version, brought to you by Typhoon2000 in partnership with Naga College Foundation, Aboitiz Power, Bank of the Philippine Islands, Avenue Plaza Hotel, the local government of Naga City, headed by our Honorable Mayor Nelson Gacion, and our Honorable Congressman Gabi Bordado of the 3rd District of Camarines Sur. And I would like to thank all the supporters and partners of Typhoon2000 that helps us continue these updates whenever there's an approaching typhoons, and twice a week updates to give you the very latest of our weather conditions across the Philippine Islands and the nearby Pacific region. And let's begin now with the last graph set for today, and this is valid for the next 48 hours since we are going to return on Tuesday. And we have another surge of the Northeast Monsoon, which is expected to reach Northern Luzon, but this will persist within the next 48 hours. So, sad to say, this Northeast Monsoon during the past week didn't reach the lower sections of the Philippine Islands compared to last year because of the ongoing El Nino. That's why our weather here, particularly here in Naga and Camarines Sur, Bicol region, is quite warmer than it's supposed to be. Its heat index is reaching still at 40 degrees, and it's quite unusual because of the ongoing El Nino and the warming of our planet. It looks like we are not expecting cold weather until maybe January 8th. There will be another blast of the monsoon. Let's hope that it will reach the Bicol and southern portions of the Philippine Islands. We just have here a easterly wind flow that is generating some rain showers and thunderstorms. Just this afternoon, we experienced some heavy downpour, but it's only around 10 minutes. And so far, the weather remains good with isolated rain showers and thunderstorms, particularly along areas facing the Pacific Ocean. And no tropical cyclone formation expected during the first week of January, so everything is fine and clear. And when it comes to the risk of flooding, landslides, everything is low, and there's no problem at all. So we can travel anywhere around the Philippine Islands. As we take a look at the fast animation, there you go. We have here the easterlies, and a frontal system is departing south of Japan, and we have another surge of the Northeast Monsoon expecting to reach, or expected to reach, Northern Luzon. And we have here a couple of surface troughs, nothing to worry about. For the zoom in satellite animation, here's the rain clouds that are bringing some rainfall across the eastern coastal areas of Bicol region and eastern Visayas, but most likely it's starting to dissipate. But tomorrow there will be another round of some showers expected along the coastal waters or coastal areas of the mentioned areas of Bicol, eastern Visayas, and eastern Luzon. There are some showers also affecting some portions of Palawan, Metro Manila. And let's take a look for the wind and pressure forecast for the next 3 days until January 3rd. For now, we have easterlies here. By tomorrow afternoon, we have a new surge of the Northeast Monsoon that could bring some windy conditions across extreme northern Luzon, moving into Cagayan Valley. And on Tuesday, January 2, the Northeast Monsoon will start to weaken but will still affect portions of Northern Luzon, and easterlies will continue to prevail across the eastern sections of Bicol, Visayas, and Mindanao. And on January 3, the Northeast Monsoon will remain over the Batanes and Babuyan Group of Islands and other portions of extreme Northern Luzon, while light northeasterly to variable winds will be expected across Bicol region, eastern Visayas, and northeasterly flow across Visayas, Mimaropa, and Sulu. And so far, everything is quiet. Okay, and for the rainfall accumulation forecast for the next 3 days, we expect some rains across Cagayan Valley, some portions of this, particularly the coastal areas of Cagayan, and also some showers expected across the northern Quezon area, Purillo, and the coastal waters or coastal areas of Camarines provinces, including Catanduanes. And there will be also some rains and thunderstorms across the eastern coastal areas of Davao region and Caraga because of the easterly wind flow. So far, the rainfall for this month of December is quite low. Here in Naga, we only have 74 millimeters of rain compared to last year, which is around 575 millimeters, which is quite high because of the previous La Nina event. But right now we are on the reverse climate conditions known as El Nino. That's why the rainfall is very much below normal. Okay, so for the wind and now let's take a look for the wave conditions across the Philippine Islands. Everything is light to moderate. From 1 to 1.5 meters expected across the coastal areas of the Philippine Islands, becoming calm to 1 meter along the inland coastal waters of the Philippine Islands, Sulu Archipelago, Visayan Sea. And by tomorrow, Monday, we expect the surge of the Northeast Monsoon will again increase the waves here up to 3 to 4 meters, especially over Batanes, Babuyan Group, and the coastal areas of Cagayan Valley, Ilocos Norte, as well as the coastal waters of Babuyan Islands, and across the rest of the eastern seaboards of the Philippine Islands, it will remain around 1 to 1.5 meters. Then on Tuesday, we expect this to increase to 1.5 to around 3 meters across the eastern and northern portions of the Philippine Sea. And on Wednesday, it will again decrease to 1 to 2 meters. So overall, it is safe to travel at sea, particularly across the inland areas of the Philippine Islands, which is around 0.5 to 1.3 meters. Okay, and that's it. That's the latest for this last day of the year 2023. Again, Happy New Year to all. Let's hope that 2024 we continue to have a landfall-free cyclones across the Philippine Islands or typhoons without making landfall. That will lessen casualties as well. People affected by these tropical cyclones. But that's Mother Nature. All we have to do is to be resilient enough to be prepared for future approaching typhoons. And I hope and pray that we are always be saved by this tempest. Okay, and see you again next year. This is Mike Padua saying Happy New Year to all. Have a great 2024 when it comes to good health, prosperity, and peace. Okay, everlasting peace, if we have that kind of scenario in this world. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you very much for supporting our channel all the way. And let's hope that we will be having a good year. See you again next year. This is Mike Padua, and thank you so much for watching our channel. God bless to all.